Hi, I'm Azadeh, interior designer and founder of Blend Studio. Materials speaks to more than the eyes. They shape atmosphere. They influence how a space feels to live in. This is Blend Talk Material. In this series, I talk about materials beyond how they look, how they feel, how they behave, and how they support everyday life. Today, we are talking about marble. Marble is a natural stone. It begins as limestone. Over a long period of time, heat and pressure change it into the marble. This process creates the lines, the movement we see on the surface. Those lines are natural. They are never repeated. Every slab of marble is different. That difference gives marble character. It also means marble cannot be perfectly controlled. When you choose a marble, you choose a material with personality. Marble has a strong presence in a space. It often feels elegant and solid. It gives a sense of intention. It makes the space feel considerate and lasting. Marble is very physical. When you touch it, it feels cold and smooth. When you walk on it, it feels firm and stable. Polished marble reflects light and feels more formal. Honed marble softens light and feels easier to live with. In larger spaces, marble reflects sound. Because of this, it often needs to be balanced with softer materials like wood, fabric, or rocks. Marble affects how a space feels every day, not just how it looks. Marbles comes in many colors, and each color creates a different mood. White marbles are the most common. Carrara has softer gray lines, feels more casual. Calcata and Statuario have a stronger contrast and feel more formal. Gray marbles like Tundra feel balanced and modern. They are easier to live with visually and high deliver better. Beige and cream marbles, such as crema marfil, feels warm and classic. They work well in traditional interiors or spaces that need softness. Green marbles like Verde Alpi or Verde Guatemala feel bold and expressive. They are usually used as accent rather than large surfaces. Dark marbles, including Nero Marquina or Emperador Dark, feel rich and dramatic. They work best in well-lit spaces or smaller moments. Veining changes how marble reads in a space. Soft veinings feel gentle and work well for large floors and walls. Linear veining feels structured and works well for walls or fireplaces. Bold veining feels artistic and works best as a statement piece. When veining is strong, the surrounding materials should stay very simple. Marble can be finished in different ways. Polished marble has a shiny surface. It reflects light and looks bright, but it shows marks more easily. Honed marble has a soft, matte surfaces. It's easier to live with and works well in daily spaces. Textured or leather finishes add depths. They help hide wear and work well for floors or high-use areas. The finish should always match how the marble will be used. Marble is porous. It absorbs liquids. It reacts to acidic items like lemon, wine, or vinegar. Over time, marble changes. It may lose some shine or develop surface marks. This is normal. Marble doesn't stay perfect forever. It shows life. Marble works best in spaces with gentle use. Bathrooms, powder rooms, vanities, fireplace, or feature walls are ideal places for marble. Marble can work in kitchen, but only when people understand how to care for it. It is not ideal for very busy floors or spaces that require zero maintenance. Marble works best when it has space. Large slabs allows the stone to read clearly and naturally. Too many small cuts can make marble feel busy. Marble can also be used in furniture, tables, side tables, backsplashes, and vanity tops are common examples. High contrast designs feel bold and dramatic. Low contrast designs feel soft and timeless. Marble pairs well with wood, plaster, and soft finishes. Balance is the key. My approach to marble is very intentional. I don't use marble everywhere, and I don't choose it just because it looks luxurious. I think about lifestyle first, how people live, cook, and clean, and move through this space. I usually recommend marble in places where it can be appreciated, not constantly tested. I also care a lot about finish. For daily spaces, I often prefer honed marble because it's easier to live with and shows less wear. For me, marble is a material with character and personality. It changes over time, and I think that's a part of its beauty. Marble should support your life, not create stress. When expectations are right, it becomes a material people truly enjoy living with. One common mistake in choosing marble only from photos. Another mistake is using strong marble everywhere. Choosing the wrong finish for the space is also very common. Many people expect marble to behave like engineered stone. That usually leads to disappointment. Marble is not a trend. It has been used for centuries. What is changing is how it is used. In 2026, we see softer colors, more honed finishes, less shine, and more thoughtful placement. Marble remains relevant because it is timeless. Before we finish, I want to answer some of the questions that I hear all the time. These usually come up right before someone chooses marble. Marble is practical, but not in the same way as engineered materials. It works well when people understand it. It doesn't work well when people expect perfection. If you value character and natural change, marble can be very practical. Honestly, this depends on personality. Marble doesn't need constant attention, but it does need awareness. If wiping spills feels normal, you'll be fine. If every mark feels stressful, marble may not be enjoyable. Marble can work in homes with kids, but kids spills and mess. Marble will show some of that. If those marks feel like part of family life, marble can work. If they feel like a problem, another material might be better. Pets can leave small surface marks, especially in polished marble. Honed finishes handle this better. Marble itself is not unsafe for pets, but it will show use over time. Cracks usually come from poor installation, not the stone. With proper support and detailing, marble is very durable. Installation matters a lot. In many cases, yes, scratches, dull areas, and small chips can often be improved by professionals. Marble is not disposable, it can be restored. Lighting changes everything. Scale changes everything. A small sample never shows the full picture. When marble is installed, you're seeing the real stone. No. What has changed is how it's used. Today, marble is used more selectively, with less shine and more intention. That depends on expectation. If you want perfection forever, probably not. If you appreciate materials that age and tell a story, marble can be very rewarding. Yes, when it's the right match. I recommend marble to people who appreciate materials with character. I don't recommend it to people who want everything to stay perfect. For me, marble should support your life, not create stress. Marble brings honesty into design. It changes over time. It reflects how a space is lived in. When marble is used with understanding, it adds depth and meaning. It becomes part of the life of a space. This series follows my ongoing journey with materials. I see you in the next episode of Blend Talk Material. Don't forget to subscribe.